Hello for everyone. Again, I will talk it about on my string sound banks, but that is from the Kontakt. So the all one when I'm doing from the sound font strings sound banks, I am just in the transform on the Kontakt files, the NKI files. This is the files uh, for everyone when you like it to use it Kontakt. Is the all strings sound banks is the transform for Kontakt is ready for the use. I am transform, so this is the first folder. This is from the Kontakt NKI files, and I put here also this subfolder. This is for the all instruments. I have the samples from the audio format. Just somebody if you want to use like here is available to use. Let's just quickly check. This is audio format. There's the all instruments. All instruments is on the audio formats and samples is here on the another folder. All these instruments samples is the subfolder as well. The another one same like here. The samples is here as well. Is there like the arrow strings? Is the samples is there on this instrument, and another one is we make the sound check as well. Let's just in the Kontakt string sound banks. Let's just to show you the proper one. How much is it show me is the around the 5 gigabytes 34, but I'm not sure this show me this one 66.8 folder, but should be the instruments is less because the many instruments maybe is the replace on the same or similar, and but this is the a lot of. Okay, let's to going to FL Studio and open the some Kontakt player just to check the sound. Right, I wanna check again on the Kontakt 4. This is very old one, and I'm check all time on the Kontakt 4 because that is the old one, and if working on the Kontakt 4, I believe we'll be working on the next one like Kontakt 5, Kontakt 6, 7, 8, and any model. Right, let's to going on the first folder. We find the first instrument and just in the drag here like before. You can find it again. It's from the library from here if you want to add the directory on this collection here. I'm just in the drag for the quickly. This is the strings and so the simple, no picture, no slider or button here, only this is like this one. If somebody again want to put some parameters and change the parameter from here like release system, and it's available to doing himself. Let's to check another one from the different bank. Should be from the mix 8 and so viola. Let's just to drag here and check the sound. Right, let's to show you. Is the slow violin section. It's a simple one. Is the 145 megabytes. It's working, right? So after Kontakt 5, let's to going direct on the Kontakt 8. That is the last one. I wanna check the sound as well over there. Let's to find some. We're going on the Ketron. We find some files from the Ketron. The Kontakt case still is so heavy. It's not like the old one. It's so heavy. I have to wait a little bit to add. Right, the Kontakt 8 now is ready for use. Let's to put something like fiddle here. This instrument is from the Ketron SD90. Let's to see the mapping editor. I have the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8 samples here. I have the whoop as well. Let's get another instrument like this one. Good one. Let's have the country. Drag the country. Right, so many. I don't want to check the all instruments because that is the lot of one, and we be spending a lot of time. And on for the Kontakt here, have the instruments is so many. Like let's to make the zoom to have the more visible. This from the Kontakt file, from the library. Another folder. Here the next folder. I have this one. I have the mix as well. This is not so much. The samples here. Next one, let's to show which one have. Maybe this is the double one, but anyway, this is just in the one here as well. Let's just do, this is the double one. We take off, delete, because it's same. Oh, this one as well is same. Alright, mix 7. I have to make the zoom. Right. Mix 8. Also, you have the so many. Mix 1. There. Anyway, so the all together I will be put information below the video. So the all this one is the Halion, is the file for the Kontakt NKI files, and use it for the all Kontakt player 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 as well. if somebody is happy to take it, this one would be the price would be £15, just £15 for this collection. I think the deal is good. I just all information get the below the video, and link for the payment is also is there. Right, thank you very much for watching. Thank you.